Okay.
Say less. So what's your name?
Wilson.
Wilson?
Yeah, Wilson.
All right, bet. And 200K.
Yeah.
Where do I gotta go in China to get it?
You
Well, I ain't even peeped. It parked? Oh my God. Yo, okay. This shit fucking nuts, dog. Okay, all right, this shit's nuts. Okay.
150K.
So this cheaper.
Yes, cheaper. Yes.
I might think.
And
Shit.
they have a new one that can 100K can do basically same stuff, and then it's a four-door sedan.
It's a sedan.
Yeah.
Yeah. We have a new sedan.
It's even cheaper right now.
I might get that 100K then. I might get that one then. This shit crazy, yo. All right, okay. Dope ass cars. Dope. Hey, W ass car. Dope ass car. Thank y'all for showing that shit. Hey.